Hey, welcome to my 1996 Honda VFR windscreen replacement video. Um, Today I'm going to show you how to take off an ugly Chinese-made double bubble knockoff and replace it with the zero gravity windscreen. First, you're going to take off the four little screws that hold the plastic covers off the windshield stay for the upper. Then we're going to pull up the little condom and we're going to put a 10mm wrench on those bolts, and we're going to take the bolts off and remove the mirrors. If you're going to be replacing your windscreen, this would be a good opportunity to go ahead and replace your mirrors. The mirrors you'll need for the 4th generation VFR and the early 5th gen VFRs would be the 2000-2001 Honda VFR 800Fi mirrors. They are the black mirrors with the black arms with no little rubber condom on them, and it's pretty much an exact matchup. I did this to both of my VFRs. I didn't do video on it, and I apologize for that. It was cold and I just didn't feel like putting the equipment on. But both my 95 and my 96 VFRs have the 2000-2001 rear view mirrors on it now. It looks a lot better. It would be the same mirror that's on that yellow VFR in the background. It's also a lot easier to put on and remove the 2000-2001 VFR mirrors. You can do it with an Allen wrench. I have the T-handled Allen wrenches, and it sure speeds it along. It's quite awkward to get a 10mm wrench on these older VFR mirrors. Just for the record, I think that Chinese-made double bubble that's on this 96 is completely hideous. So once you got all the bolts out, you just pull the windshield off and throw it away like I did. You know, it was 20 bucks. It was a mistake. Stupid crap on eBay. So now I'm going to put my zero gravity windscreen on here. Um, the quality of the zero gravity is just far more superior than anything that you can get out of China these days. Once you've made sure that all your holes line up, you can put your mirrors on. Don't tighten down your mirrors all the way. Just get the bolts finger tight. Um, Keep them loose because you're going to want to put the plastic pieces in and tighten those down first. Alright, once you've got your mirrors on, go ahead and put on the little plastic decorative pieces. These will just slide right in and put your screws in. Once you line up the top hole and tighten down that bolt, you're pretty much good to go as far as these plastic covers. The little Phillips screw that goes down at the bottom, it's pretty much just for looks. And back to the mirrors, make sure everything's lined up, all your plastics lined up and looking good. And then just take your 10mm wrench and tighten down the bolts that hold the mirror on. Once you've got your mirror all good and tightened down, then you're going to take your little condom, put it on the right way, and just get on the little clip and then push it up into the top mirror. So the zero gravity looks pretty good on there. Much better than that Chinese crap that was on there earlier. I sprayed it down with some Honda spray polish. I think it goes by the name of Original Spray Cleaner these days. But I just wiped everything down. And hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it helps you out. I'm also going to have a video out there for 95 VFR very shortly.